Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you a beginner friendly on how you can be able to buy your crypto on Bybit A to Z. For better understanding, it's going to be live trading.
Amazing!
Now, it is important that you sign up with Bybit, and the link is below this video. All you need to do is to sign up with your email and also verify your account with your national ID or valid ID card, depending the country where you are operating from. Now, for you to be able to do this with profit and sell and buy with profit without falling to scammers, all you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and also drop your comment so that if there is any other clarification, I'm going to make video on that. So if you actually like watching videos like this, why not subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I bring important updates like this, YouTube is going to notify you. Now let's dive into the video right now. What you do next is to come to home, click on home here, then you'll be on this interface. Now if you have not initially addicted your P2P trading icon here, so what you do is to come to this very place here, click on more, then you can be able to search for P2P and click on that. So as you can see here, this is P2P here now. So I edited mine, that's why it is on this interface. So let me click on the P2P trade. Now it's opening. Now the first thing you should do, because this video is should be a short one, so it's not going to be a long one, is to make sure that you are aware of the amount you're buying. You must make sure so that you don't take a long time. So if you look here, you will see ineligible, and you can see many of the ineligible here and there. So the reason is because you are not eligible to buy at this position. Now for you to do it very similarly easily is to come here and click on this very place here, amount. So how much are you buying? Let's say we'll be doing live trade of 10,000 naira. So let's see how it's going to work out. So you click on confirm. Click on confirm. Then the next thing you should is filter. You come on filter. So you click on filter. Now this will help you to show you the only eligible ads so that you can just go straight to your trade. So I'll click on show only eligible. Then you can actually, if you really want to prevent scam, you can actually click on this very one, show only verified advertisers. So you can, okay, let's click on it too, and let's go ahead and okay it. Then now you can see that it's actually showing you only the verified buyer. So the challenge here is this: you may actually be buying on a very high side if you are choosing only verified sellers. Now, because you have to buy, so these are the sellers here. So now you see the price difference here. How much here? 1,623. So now let's go back to our filter, because I just really want to show you this so that you will take more advantage. So let's remove this and go only, we'll remove only verified advertisers. Let's go with this. So let's see the price difference. You see the price difference now. Initially it was 162 something. So right now, because it's general, so since it's not verified, so verified, they are the people that even have control price. So these are people who are not verified and also who are verified. So this is where you see multiple choices to make and buy at a lower price. Now let's go with this trade. If we check here, one of the things you need to check is a percentage of completion. This guy have made a sell of 93%, this one 98%, this one 99%. Now, but what is interested to me is the price. Now I would like to go with this very one that is 16. Okay, let's go to this verified that is 1609. So let's go. So for you to know the verified, you see this very star here shows that it's verified. So let's go with this man. So how much are we buying? We're buying, let's buy 10,000 USDT. So let's go ahead and click buy. So this is one of the most important aspects. When you come here, you can see that it says your assets of the assets of the seller have been locked. So right now is just confirm that you are not losing anything. So that's one thing about this very P2P compared to side sales or buying. Now let's go ahead and click pay now. So now it's open. So this account we are sending to Money Point, and this is the account number. So don't type anything. All you need is to copy every of these one after the other. So we're going to copy the account now and make the payment. So copy the amount 10,000, because if you send anything outside what is here, you bear the consequence. Now we are done transferring the 10,000 to Next Generation Resources Limited. So the next thing is you come here and click on payment completed. So let's go ahead and click on it. So what do we do next? So click I understand. You click confirm. Make sure your hand doesn't touch here when you have made your payment. This is where most people get frustrated. Now, if you click cancel order, definitely your money may be a history. So the person can refuse to refund you. So this is the reason why. So now you have to wait. So let's just wait for them to confirm our payment. And being the transaction is now completed. So let's go to our account and confirm if that is so. You see, it's already here. You can see this is how you can easily buy your USDT on Bybit without falling for scammers. So you could see the difference between buying from a regular guy, maybe in the group, Telegram group or WhatsApp group. So this will save you a lot on how you can be able to. If you are finding value on this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell, because all I do on this channel is to bring information on how you can be able to successfully make money online and other tips that actually matters on the crypto. Let's go to the next step of selling your coin on P2P market. Now that you're on the interface, so what you do next is to come to the P2P trading interface. So as it opens like so, then the first thing you do is to come here and click on sell. Then we will be set for this transaction. Now, to make sure you don't spend much time trying to sell to the wrong person, all you need to do is to come to here amount and click on it so that you can filter the, let's say, how much are we selling. So we have $6, right? So let's say let's put 9,000 naira here and you click confirm. If you look here, you will also see ineligible. You see the skyrocketing amount of 1,800. Now just leave all this behind. So simply come here and click on this filter here. Click on the filter. Then we're going to choose this randomly. Show only eligible and show only verified. Okay, let's just choose these three. Then we'll click confirm. This will actually help you to smoothly do your transaction without any issues. So right now, the next thing we should do is to look at the percentage rate of any of these sellers. Now, if you look at this guy here, he has made transaction of 5,200 something orders, and the percentage rate is 92%. That's still good. This is 96. Okay, now look at this one here. Though the price is lower, this is Edutest, and the price has reduced to 1,588. So, and he has made 99% transaction without issue. So, what we are here after money. So let's just this guy is also verified. Let's go to the first person, which is 1594, and click on it. Then because you've already added your bank account, so if you've not added your bank account details on this, so what you need to do is to click here, and it will actually request for you to fill in your account details. So, but I have filled in my account details, so I'll have to escape that. So if you want me to make video how you can be able to add your account details on this process, please comment at the comment section so that I will do that. Then the next thing we'll have to do now is to how much are we selling. So what we actually have here is 5.9. Now initially I should have shown you that if your money is not on the spot account, you will not be able to make your transaction. So for you to get your money to funding, rather instead of spot, spot account is the same thing with funding account. So that's I'm using the language in Binance. So what happens is this: when you're at on your asset like this, you look here, you see transfer, you see withdraw, you see deposit, you see convert. So what you do now is you click on transfer. Then what it actually means is that you will be transferring the fund that you have on this unified trading account to funding account, if that is the case. Now, if it's the same, if this transaction is also to be conducted in other exchanges like Binance or Bitgate, so it's the funding account here also mean the same thing with spot account. So I hope you are getting it. So then what you do now is you can choose, you click on this very sign here to swing the one down up or the one down up. So this is funding. So rather the unified trading account should be up. So while your spot account, which is the funding account, should be down. Then you cannot choose the coin by clicking here. So if we are doing that on TON or on USDT, so all the fund that is on TON or USDT will now enter our funding account. Then we can now continue our trading on the P2P. This is how it actually works. So now let's now complete the video. What we do here is to click on all. So look at how much is giving us 9,400 naira. So the next thing we should do is to be caution. They said, please wait for the counterpart to make payment. So the tokens for this sell will be transferred out of your funding account. So when you make payment before, so this is where you have to actually be careful so that you don't lose your money. So we click sell. So I'm making this live video so that some of us will not get it wrong. It said the ad status of your P2P order has been changed. So please try another ad. So this is some of the challenges we face. So we have to look for another ad in that respect. So the advert amount has really changed. So what do we do here? So let's choose this guy. Otumba is a verified seller. He's selling between 5,000 to 10,000. So let's go ahead with him. Now let's click on all. You see the price have really dropped, which is 9,300. So let's do the justice. Now at this stage, there's nothing you could do. All you needed to do is to just wait. But there's something we didn't do, which was to be necessary if need be. Now if you look here, if you don't want to waste time on that, we didn't consider that initially. You will look at here, you see 30 minutes ago he was online. This one 30 minutes ago he was online. 30 minutes ago he was online. So these are some of the things you consider. This one 15 minutes ago he was online. 30 minutes ago. So if you're actually in a haste to make your sell or to sell your coin, so these are some of the factors you consider. But nevertheless, let's go back to our transaction. So click on order. So right now it's still on pending because the buyer has not responded yet. So in other words, instead of waiting, we can actually click on this very icon here. His response will be waiting. Now we'll actually send, so we'll have to pause for a moment and see how long it will take for this transaction to be executed. As you can see right now, I just got an alert. The buyer have actually paid. So let's refresh. If you release any coin without confirming in your app that the payment has been made, you may actually fall to scammers. So let's go back right now. So this is the interface right now. So having confirmed our payment, the next thing we should do is to click on here, release. Fatoye Augustine Afe has made the payment to me. So let's just click here and click on release. It said, under no circumstance should you release the coin if the full payment has not been made, has not been received. Because when you do release your coin without confirming that, it means you are at the verge of losing out, because the customer care can do little to help you in this issue. So it said acknowledge. So right now, this is the reason why signing up. If you've not signed up, the link for you to sign up, you can use my referral code so that you can get bonus. You get bonus reward of to $5,000. So, and I will also get bonus. So while signing up, you actually will need a Google authentication app. So let me go there and copy it. As you can see, we have released the coin to the owner by confirming it with our authentication app. So if you check my account here, you see that the actual amount have left. This wasn't the amount that has left the account. Now, if you sincerely have found value on this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I bring important update like this, YouTube is going to notify you.